Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get the Government of India certified certificate within 5 minutes. Okay, so before going into the details, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon to get the more number of videos like this to your mobile phones as immediate notifications or updates. So it is a certificate from the Government of India, that is ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, and the National Institute of Nutrition. So I'm going to show you the procedure. So please follow that procedure and you will get your name here just like me. That is Mr. or Miss Ashwani Kumar Gadige has successfully completed the nutrition education program on WASH through e-learning platform. So this certificate you can get from the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India. Okay. So please follow the video, guys. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, and the National Institute of Nutrition. So it is under the Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. So you are going to get the certificate which is recognized by the Government of India. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video, and just here you will come to know how to get the certificate and what is the procedure you have to follow. So whatever the link that I am providing in the description box of this video, just click on that one, then you will be directed to this website. And here at the left hand side, the e-learning modules are there. So here the total 14 number of modules are there. So out of these 14 modules, you may select any one of the thing. Okay, so for example, if I'm selecting this WASH, okay, so just click on that one. Then you will be directed to one video here. This video is for 17 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, so here, so coming to this video, you may forward this one. Okay, so if you want, you may watch the complete video. Okay, no problem. And then click on this N module certificate. Okay, so before going into this in detail, first you have to fill up your details. So details means you have to fill up your full name, date of birth, gender, state, email, mobile, username, and the password. So after filling up all these details, then you have to click on this sign up. So after filling up all the details and then click on the sign up, then you will be directed to this web page, e-learning ICMR NIN module. So welcome to Poshan Abhiyan e-learning ICMR NIN modules. Okay, so after coming up this one, and then next you have to, here the details are given. So signing up, then login, and then login, go into the learning, and from the learning questionnaire result and then certificate. Okay, so here the learning is there. So click on this learning. Okay, and then you will be directed like this, and then click on the N module certificate. Click on this one. Previously I selected the 7th one, WASH. So here the questions are coming here, so you have to attempt these questions. So total 10 questions will be there. Here I attempted all the 10 questions, so I got 6 questions out of the 10. So if you got the 5 questions out of the 10, then you will get the certificate. Okay, and click on this download certificate. Then the certificate will be downloaded, and whatever the certificate we are getting here, it is absolutely from the Government of India. Why? Because it is a website, that means an official website of this ICMR NIN. See guys, so Poshan Abhiyan e-learning ICMR NIN, Ministry of Women and Child Development. So this is to certify that Ashwani Kumar Gadige, he has successfully completed the nutrition education program on WASH through e-learning platform. So such type of certificates will be really helpful to you. Either it may be the undergraduation, post-graduation, or PhD, okay, whatever it is. Anyhow, in the resume, you can put this one under the extracurricular activities or learning about something online course or as online certificate, that to recognized by the Government of India certificate. Okay, so which will be very helpful to you guys. So Please follow the procedure whatever I told and try to get the score more than 5, then you will get the certificate. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, then get the certificate. And after getting the certificate, please comment me in the comment section, guys, or else if you're having any problem in getting the certificate, then also put your problem in the comment section, so definitely I will respond to you guys. Okay, and then so please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Please share my videos to your friends, as many as possible. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please follow, guys. Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor, welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology, and including this one, the general paper, that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app, that I am providing the link in the description box of this video, and also along with that link I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video, and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these other different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans.